today then. Definitely cut that monstrosity out, and probably get a new piece of metal to go on here, because it's kind of wafer thin, especially at the bottom here. It's just like tin foil really. It's a little bit rusty, so yeah, we'll probably cut that off and make a little new piece to go on there. Nice fresh metal. Clean all this up and maybe try and make this as well. I've just realised this, I've just been looking at this and I see that it's actually, this is like the top piece that goes along there, and then this here is like a stiffener bracket that goes underneath. So yeah, I was wondering how that sort of all went together, because it was like, I could see it was two parts there. So yeah, I'll have to see if I can try and look at the other side, which isn't rotten away quite as bad, and then replicate it. So yeah, just have to see what I can do there really. It's a bit annoying, but oh well, if it doesn't look pretty, it's okay. It's not going to be a show winning car, I hope. Well, it'd be nice if it is, but I'm not going to be that anal about it anyway, as long as it's strong. So yeah, we'll probably end up cutting it off up to maybe like here, because it's all really badly pitted there, and just remake this section. So I don't know if we'll get that all done today, but we can certainly give it a go. Give all this a good clean up as well, and bend that back into shape a bit where I've sort of prised against it to get the inner wing off. So yeah, it's kind of, oh, I didn't prime that, need to do that as well. So yeah, that's kind of all I have planned for today, but it's a bit of a task making this up, I'm sure, so we'll just have to see what we can do really. So yeah, let's get on. Okay, so I didn't mention this in the beginning, but I yeah, took off of that strengthening triangle piece there, but at this side. The reason being is because through the little holes that's in it, these four big holes, I could see it was quite rusty. So I thought I'd take it off and just see what's behind, and I'm really glad I did. Look at the state of that. So that needs a thorough cleaning up before we can put this back on. This isn't amazing either. This isn't actually too bad, to be honest. That'll easily clean up, but I'm actually kind of a little concerned as to what's going to happen when I take a Y wheel to that, but we'll have to see really. So I'm absolutely bloody starving. My bag of snacks is basically empty aside from chocolate at this point, so I'm going to probably pop out to Co-op soon. It's probably only just down the road. Go get a sandwich or something, because I am starving. So yeah, it's I'm not sure if I'm going to go and get that now or to clean this up. I'm tempted to go get a sandwich. Yeah, we'll go get a sandwich, alright. So yeah, we'll be back soon. Hey, sandwich! Num num. Right, let's consume that, have a drink, and then we'll get the wire wheel out on the grinder and attack that. So yeah, get back to you soon once I've eaten. Okay, so that was a nice quick job. Took the wire wheel to this and cleaned it all back to bare metal and got some etch primer on it. So yeah, that's looking much nicer now. That's even dried already. It's only been like 5 minutes. So yeah, nice quick drying stuff. So now I need to tackle the rest. Tackle this, the plate. So yeah, clean that up as well. Get some primer on it, and I don't think I'll end up putting it back on today. Well, I'll put it back on whenever I feel like it, but yeah, get this nice and cleaned up, I think, that's for sure. Yeah, so very glad I took that off, because it's a mess. That side, as you can see, is only going to be worse, but I think I'm going to have to end up replacing the cross member at that side, because it's just absolutely shot. Like, I think it's going to be a bit beyond repair, because there's just a massive hole. Well, you can see, and it's knackered all the way up to where the master cylinder's bolts on. So yeah, I think it's probably the best thing to do is just take off that half of the cross member and just start again with that. And this bracket here as well looks like it might be a bit far gone at the bottom there. I don't know. We'll have to see. But this side was definitely salvageable. So yeah, let's carry on with that. Put a man's vice right here. Yeah, if it works, it works. I do need to get a vice though. Just had a peek outside, and it's slightly disappearing now, but nice sunset. Yeah, it was a little more impressive a couple of minutes ago. No, I just thought I'd come and show you, but yeah, nice. Always get a nice sunset pictures here. It's good. Okay, so I've just been doing a bit of CAD. I've cut this out, did it off camera, cut that out, and yeah, been doing a bit of CAD. It's not quite the right size, but I can trim it down a little bit with the flappy disk after, make it right. So yeah, there's the old bit that I chopped out. It's like tin foil at the bottom. I made some pretty ugly ass holes in it, cutting the inner wing out, so cut it out, put a nice bit of fresh bit in, which I've actually lost now. Oh, there we go. There we are. So yeah, I say this edge isn't particularly neat. It'll clean up once it's welded in anyway. It's even got a bit of a bend in it, look, to go on here. So it's almost done. I just need to do a tiny bit more fettling on this edge just to make it perfectly straight edge, and then yeah, that will be going on there. So that's exciting. So yeah, first bit of metal, new metal to go back into this. So this is quite an occasion. Exciting. So yeah, cue the time lapse. We'll get this piece in, and that'll do for today, I think. Okay, so ignore the bit right up here at the top that's all blobby. That's it blew through, did the old metal, so I had to just sort of fill that in with weld. But yeah, we have the new piece tacked in. There's try and show you the other side. Get the light in here. So yeah, decent looking penetration. I'm happy with that. Love it. So there we go, first piece of metal tacked in. Yes, we're heading in the right direction now. Ah, so good. It is 7:15, so I think I'm just going to kind of pack up at this point. And geez, that was loud. I'm going to pack up and go home now because I'm hungry again. So yeah, go home and have my tea, come back tomorrow and get this in properly. So exciting! So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Check us out on the Facebook page, and yeah, like the video, subscribe, etc, etc. So yeah, cheers for watching guys, hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.